So the more blob I burn, the less one there's going to be. And since the blob is attracted to blobs, then it would come here for sure. So I'll find out if it's gone or if it's not. Not here. Sweetie! Sweetie! Mom? Dad? We're okay. Oh, you're okay too. Yeah. What happened? The blob monster disappeared somehow. And you saved us. Yeah, group hug. Family hug. Oh, try to get this blobs off of me. Okay, it's a little sticky. I'll have to take a little bath later. Hold on, let's just get these blobs off. Okay, later I get the rest. Oh, there we go. We're family together again. Yes. Come on.